Alright guys, so we're here at Tech. We've got the car, I've got Chris here. He's helping us out with the videos. Got the meta glasses, or the cheap meta glasses. Matt and Ethan. Mel's gone to go find someone, but yeah, we're going to get through Tech. Just like in 2023, I'm going to take you through every sort of step of the way so you can enjoy the journey with us. This is pretty boring at the moment. We're just going to wait for Tech and make sure everything's good. Yeah, Cheyenne Mountain right behind us. So we're just working through the line here at the Tech, taking some photos with the photographers. Mel's just about to get into the tent now, and after we pass Tech, we're actually going to go to Pikes Peak International Raceway just to scrub in the tyres. What Mel was saying was, usually with qualifying you only get 2 or 3 runs, and with a fresh set of tyres, they're kind of useless for the first run you'll get on that set. So he just wants to scrub the tyres in at the Pikes Peak International Raceway, just so that he's ready for qualifying, so he can just go all out on the first run and make it to the Fast 15 for FanFest. So yeah, we'll get the car teched and then I'll see you guys at the raceway.
Turn on right before we put the side plug on.
If the track feels real dirty, I might stay off at 3.
Okay. on? Yep, we can fire up.
Are we ready, Merle?
One more lap.
Okay. Okay, so that's a wrap for this video. This is our first time at Pikes Peak International Raceway. Pretty cool place. Kind of old and run down, but still it's pretty cool. It's got some character. So Matt was on the drone, so any drone footage that you see was thanks to him. And if you don't see any drone footage, it's because it was no good or he didn't press record. That'll be it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully next time you'll see us, we'll be on the mountain. So see you later.